Hello everyone, my name is James Walker, and the topic that I have decided to do my research on is rehabilitation versus strict methods for recidivism. For those who don't know or never heard of recidivism, it is one of the most fundamental concepts in the criminal justice system. It refers to a person's relapse into criminal and or previous behaviors or conditions. In order to decrease the rate of recidivism, research has proven that there has to be a rehabilitation program put in place. The utilization of strict programs such as the Scared Straight program has been proven to increase the rate of recidivism, to contrary belief that it will decrease recidivism eventually. Scared Straight programs are destroying one's mental, emotional, and physical. All of those programs should be deemed completely. I selected this topic because many times we hear about an individual constantly going back and forth to jail or prison, but never take the time to find out what sometimes may cause them to return. It can come from various reasons. This topic is relevant because there is often many controversies over how tax dollars are being spent. Also, there is an alarming rate of many African Americans that are involved in the criminal justice system. 1 in 3 African Americans between the ages of 20 and 29 are involved in the criminal justice system. America has the highest rate of incarcerations in the world. Through my research, I found that there are 6 evidence-based practices proven to lower recidivism. One of those that is to do a risk and needs assessment on offenders. The offenders who are deemed to be high and medium risk for reoffending should be assessed first. Some of the main factors that contribute to recidivism are having an antisocial peer group, having a drug and or alcohol dependency, a lack of self-control, and an antisocial belief system. Not having a job, not having a place to live, or low self-esteem is on that list as well. However, they are not at the top of the list of factors statistically proven to be associated with reoffending. Another component is to assess each individual's motive for the reasons to reoffend. We also have to target the appropriate interventions. Effective intervention should be structured while an inmate is in custody. Evidence-based programs emphasize that cognitive behavioral strategies should be delivered by well-trained staff. That has been proven to be successful as well. The program should be one in which skills are solely taught to the offender, but they are practiced in role play, which include an abundance of time and repetition. There should also be an increase in positive reinforcement. Research has shown that a 4-to-1 ratio of positive reinforcement works well over negative reinforcement. The last and final step should be ongoing support. The offender should continue with support even when released, as stated previously. Offenders' peer groups are the number one factors in whether the individual will either reoffend or not. 2 of these groups are those trying to stay away from drugs and those who are involved in gang cultures. These 2 groups have the greatest challenge. An effective parole and probation system is our best chance of having a positive impact on reducing recidivism. Controversy appears due to the fact that many people have personal beliefs that the ideal of rehabilitation is considered to be soft on crime. Instead, many others propose the ideal of being harsh on inmates during incarceration, thinking that this is a better method to get them not to reoffend. I personally believe that each individual should be granted some form of rehabilitation. And I honestly believe that if many would take the time and actually do these programs, or if some are actually told about these rehabilitation programs, that this will definitely reduce the rate of recidivism. But often sometimes when people don't know that there are other methods that can actually help them out, they go back to their norm, and this is why we have a high rate of recidivism amongst not just African American males, but amongst everyone that's involved in the criminal justice system. Again, my name is James Walker, and thank you for taking the time to listen to my research presentation. Thank you.